Come here, Max. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. It's Max's birthday, so make sure you wish him a happy birthday. He's one of our PPF installers here at Latrobe. You've been with us, what, 3 years now? Awesome installer. He did a lot of this install, actually. Beautiful Spider RS. This is basically the GT4 RS, which is the hardcore Cayman that they put the GT3 engine in, except this is the convertible version. This has the Wyzock package and a custom interior. The inserts were removed and upholstered with houndstooth, which is like an homage to the 70s 928s. Just really, really cool. So we've got a full 10 mil wrap, ceramic coating inside and out. That's not done yet. Tinted the marker lights, tinted the windows. So basically everything we can do, we did on this car. On the lift, this is our first Z06 in this color. I don't even know what they call this. Do you know what they call this? Hysteria purple? Metallic. Metallica? Like the band? Yeah! So we got that Z06. We're doing a full PPF wrap, 10 mil? 10 mil. Ceramic coating, window tint. Again, same thing as the RS, basically everything we do. Our schedule is starting to get really busy. It's not quite spring yet, but if you are planning on doing stuff and you want it done prior to taking the car out for the season, please call us because otherwise you're not gonna be able to get on our schedule very soon. Behind the RS is an Escalade, belongs to our friend Jeff. Full wrap, ceramic coating, inside and out, window tint. Starting to see a theme here. Pretty much doing full wraps on almost everything these days. And this Cadillac beside it, you guys have seen this for a couple weeks now, CT4V or 5V, whatever, black wing, manual transmission. Guess what? Full wrap, ceramic coating inside and out, window tint. Maybe not inside on this, but coating, tint, it's everything. Behind it is a Nissan, I think it's a Pathfinder, doing a paint correction and a coating on this. This is a 2025, but the paint on it was absolutely thrashed. Caleb has done a really good job at removing all of the micro scratches, swirl marks, and lots of things that were in the paint here. And behind that is a Denali in the wash bay. Looks like Aaron's truck, but it's not. We're doing PPF on the front bumper of this one. And in the tint bay, Terrell is tinting a 392 Rubicon. It's about as cool as Jeeps get. We love that. Big V8 in there. It's an awesome day in Pennsylvania. John, the man behind the camera, always says it. We have the best weather. He's right for like 6 months out of the year. My Hellcat, it needs tires. We're gonna have to do a lot of donuts and burnouts tomorrow. I have to get a video of that so we can fry the tires that are on there. It's not getting anything, it's just here to look pretty. It needs cleaned up after the Pittsburgh Auto Show, that's why it's here. We're doing tint on this Honda. And beside it, our good friend Mike has brought us lots and lots of things. That's his excavator, and this truck we're doing the full cab and a visor. Mike started using me when I was tinting out of a garage bay, like at my dad's house in 2011. So he's been a customer for many, many years. We really appreciate it. He's grown his business tremendously in that time frame too, so it's pretty cool. We have an Audi for a ceramic annual inspection and a BMW X2M. You're never gonna believe what this is getting, but it's a full wrap ceramic coating and window tint. Up there has nothing to do with what we're doing, but that's our friend Patrick. Patrick worked for us for a very long time. Now he owns the Detail Guy. He does general cleanup detailing. We're actually gonna be working with him on some stuff coming up soon, so stay tuned. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is a completed job here. This is a brand new Z06. This got a track package, an 8mm paint protection film, full paint correction, and a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this X7. This too got a track package. It also got a wear and tear kit, door cups, door edges, and door sills. Now Mark is polishing out the vehicle in preparation for it also getting a 4-year coating. In the tint bay is a Porsche Panamera, courtesy of Swickley Car Store. This is getting full XR 30% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Awaiting pickup is this Chevy Camaro. This got a full paint correction. It had some pretty crazy 50-50 shots of what was and was not paint corrected. So this is really a night and day difference when we saw it to what it is now. Got a track package, full polish, and a ceramic coating. In the back, we got the PPF crew doing a full wrap on this GV80 coupe. Full body 8mm paint protection film and a 4-year ceramic coating. Another full wrap of the week is this yellow IS 500, getting a full body wrap and a 4-year coating as well. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. Here we have the Z06 getting the full wrap and 8mm paint protection film, XR Plus windshield and sides, and a full interior and exterior ceramic coating. Here we have this BMW i5 in for full window tint and XR black and XR Plus windshields, keeping that interior nice and cool from the South Florida sun. Here, this Model Y is getting 2 fronts in XR black to match the rest of the back car. Custom ordered this through our xpel Tesla dealer program. Ordered it online, comes in, gets tints, drives away. Here we have this brand new Escalade V getting dropped off for a full wrap and ceramic coating.